You don't need millions to start investing. In fact, some of the best investment opportunities in 2025 are specifically designed for people who are starting with just a little bit of money. The idea that investing is only for the wealthy is a myth. And if you not investing, you're leaving your future to chance. 2025 is a year of massive innovation, disruption, and digital transformation. That means opportunities, especially for those who act early. But with so many choices, it's easy to get overwhelmed. So let's break down the best places to invest right now. Even if all you have is $50, $100, or a few $100s. 1. Index funds and ETFs. If you're just starting out, this is the safest, smartest, and most beginner-friendly investment option. Index funds and ETFs are baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. They're low-cost diversified and tend to grow consistently over time. Even with just $10 to $100, you can start investing through apps like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Vanguard, and build real long-term wealth without picking individual stocks. Why it works in 2025? Because the market volatility of previous years is stabilizing, and strong tech recovery trends make broad market exposure a powerful play. 2. Fractional real estate investing. Think real estate is out of reach. Not anymore. With platforms like Fundrise, Arrived Homes, and Real-Timel, you can start investing in real estate properties with as little as $10, $2, $100. These platforms allow you to buy fractional shares of rental homes, apartments, and commercial buildings. What does that mean? You earn from rent and property value appreciation without becoming a landlord. Real estate in 2025 is booming in high-demand rental markets, especially in affordable housing. Logistics hubs and green energy retrofits get in before it spikes even more. 3. High-yield savings and treasury bonds. If you're extremely risk-averse, this is your base. Banks like Ally SuFi and Marcus by Goldman Sachs are offering high-yield savings accounts with returns up to 4 to 5% annually, backed by FDIC insurance. Treasury bonds, T-bills, and I-bonds offer even more security with similar yields. Backed by the U.S. government, it's not going to make you rich fast, but it beats letting inflation eat your cash in a traditional bank account. 4. Micro-investing platforms. Apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood allow you to invest spare change. You link your debit card, and every time you buy something, they round it up and invest the difference in a portfolio. It sounds small, but these small deposits compound over time. It's a great way to get into the habit of investing passively without even noticing it. Perfect for beginners or those living paycheck to paycheck. 5. Crypto is still a viable long-term investment if you do it right. You need thousands to start. $10 or $20 into well-established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum can expose you to digital finance's future. But don't fall for meme coins, hype, or TikTok gurus. Use cold wallets, stick to credible exchanges like Coinbase or Kraken, and view crypto as a 5 to 10-year play. Blockchain technology continues to integrate into finance, logistics, and identity security, meaning coins with strong utility will keep rising. 6. Startups and crowdfunding. With equity crowdfunding platforms like Republic, Seed Invest, or WeFunder, you can now invest in early-stage startups with just $50 to $100. You're basically becoming a mini angel investor. If the company succeeds or gets acquired, your small investment could multiply many times over. In 2025, hot startup sectors include AI tools and automation, health tech, climate, and sustainability. Fintech and creator economy platforms. It's risky, but the upside can be massive. 7. Digital assets and content creation. Here a twist. Instead of only investing in other people's assets, invest in creating your own. You can spend $100 on a microphone, $50 on a website domain, or $30 on a Canva Pro subscription to build a YouTube channel, a blog, or an online course. In 2025, content is currency. People are monetizing niche hobbies, unique knowledge, and even AI-generated content through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and ad revenue. If you have a skill, share it. The ROI can be life-changing, and you control the outcome. 8. AI stocks and tech infrastructure. As AI continues to dominate in 2025, companies powering this movement are strong investment opportunities. We're talking about NVIDIA, ASML, Palantir, Microsoft, and Google. Fractional share investing lets you buy into these giants with as little as $5. These are RNT meme plays. These are foundational pillars of the tech revolution. 9. Yourself. The most overlooked investment is you. Buy that book on money management. Take a $20 online course on productivity. Learn a digital skill like video editing, SEO, or coding. Build a resume, a brand, a business. You are your greatest asset. The ROI of knowledge. confidence, and self-discipline pays dividends for decades. You don't need to wait for a raise, a windfall, or a perfect moment. You just need to start. Whether it's $5, $50, or $500, what matters is building the habit. And in 2025, technology makes it easier, cheaper, and faster than ever to grow your money smartly and safely. Start where you are, use what you have, invest consistently. Your future self will thank you.